Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here at Disney's Bay Lake Tower at the Contemporary Resort, and we are in a one-bedroom villa preferred. This is the first bathroom. It's got a tub, shower, and a sink, toilet. Then we head into the living room and kitchen. This is the table. In the kitchen you have a pretty good sized refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, oven, real plates, microwave. Then you come to the first of the Murphy beds. This is going to sleep two. And then over here is the twin Murphy bed, sleeping one. And you have your balcony out here. And then we'll head into the master bedroom. Well, first we'll stop by the laundry room over here. This is like a true laundry room. You can maybe even squeeze a little pack and play in there. Your extra pillows and blankets for the other beds are in here. Then there is a closet with the safe. A nice soaking tub. Then you have the one sink at the vanity. You have a stand-up shower and a toilet in the other little room with a pocket door, so you can close that off. Here again is that safe and closet. And then over here you have the king bed. Storage. And then this is a sliding door out to the same balcony that we were on just a little bit ago. And there you have it.